Hey folk, Alice from Venngage here. Today I'm going to be talking you through how to use one of your ready-made templates to create a custom logo for your brand. So I really like this Frostbites logo. I love the bite effect on the circle, but I don't actually run an ice cream shop, I run a taco store. So I'm going to show you how to change the icons and the text to make it more relevant for your brand. So the first thing you do is you go to the templates, select the logo template, and then find the right one you want. Then you just click create, and you're ready to go. So when you click on, you'll immediately see that the circle and the bite mark are grouped together, meaning when you move one, they'll move all. It's really easy to undo this. You go to the top, you select and group. Now you can move the elements separately. We can see that the bite mark's actually made of two overlapping circles the same colour as the background. The next thing I'm going to do is delete the blue circle. When I go to the left hand side, I select icons and I search for the word taco. We've got quite a few different options here, but I'm going to go with this one. Drag and drop it onto your canvas and resize it. This button at the top will move the taco icon right to the back of our composition. Composition is just a way to say all the layers in your document. We want to put the taco at the back so we can see the text over it and we can lay the bite on top. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the circles, resize them and position them where I want somebody to have taken a bite out of the taco. Next, we need to get rid of that text. I don't run ice cream shops, I run a taco business. Select the text, delete it, and type what you want there instead. And that's it. So we can see how we've come from Frostbites to tasty tacos using a pre-made Venngage template. Have a look through the Venngage logos. You can find them all on the templates page right under logos. I'll pop the link in the bio below, so please do have a look. Leave us a comment below to let us know any logo tips and tricks you have, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Venngage.